Hello, I'll be conducting an in-service on our universal Surgypad today. With me I have item 780 SP1. First, you'll place the Surgypad on the OR table, lining it up in the proper position for the surgical procedure you're about to do. For lithotomy positioning, you'll place the Surgypad lower on the table with the perineal cutout of our pad lining just over the perineal cutout of the mattress. For supine positioning, you'll place the Surgypad a little bit higher on the table. Once you have the Surgypad in the proper position, you'll strap it down to the table. I'll show you 3 methods today. You can choose your favorite or whatever works best in the situation that you're in. Our first method is by single wrap technique. Here, I'll just thread the strap behind the rail, bringing it up and through the small D-ring, and then fixing it down on itself like so. If possible, if you're tilting into Trendelenburg, go on the back side of the post so that when it tilts, you're catching on that post. Our second method is our bevel wrap technique. Here you'll go around the rail twice, once on either side of the post. Feed it into the D-ring, and affix it back down on itself. And you'll see you just want a slight pinch in the OR mattress. Our third cuddly flexible option is our around the post method. Here you go behind the rail, and you stay behind the rail, but go on the other side of the post, bringing it up through the small E-ring and affix it down on itself. And now you can just tuck this behind the rail. What this does is it leaves the rail completely free for any stirrup clamps or other accessories. Now you'll go ahead and repeat this on the other side of the cab. Once you have the pad secured down to the table, if you're using a lift sheet, this is when you'll use it. With our pad, you don't need to use the lift sheet because most competitor pads use the lift sheet just for tucking the arms. With our pad, you can see we have integrated arm protectors with our arm safety straps, so you can completely remove the lift sheet if you're not going to use it for actually lifting the patient. So what you'll do is you'll place it on the pad in the center of where the patient's back will lay. You want to ensure that there's maximum skin to pad contact, especially in the sacrum and scapula area. So don't unfold this lift sheet no matter what.